Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make your videos private on TikTok. So first of all, open your TikTok app. After that, select any song and use this song. And if you want to use filters or effects, tap on effects or filter and tap on an effect you like. And below you'll see red button, tap on that and make a video. After you're done with that, tap on tick sign which is at the bottom right of your screen. Now tap on next option which is at bottom right of the screen. Now you'll see the option of who can watch this video. That means you want to make your video private or public. Tap on that. You can select any of the options. It's written everyone, friends or private. So if you want to make video private, just tap on private option and tap on post which is at the bottom right of the screen. Now tap on your profile icon. As you can see, the video you recently posted has not been shown on the screen. That means your video is private. So to check the video, you can just tap on lock sign which is at the right corner of the screen. So here you can tap the video and check it. So these are few simple easy steps how you can make your video private. I hope you liked our video. If you like our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.